Hello, welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you a pretty cool easy trick. It's called find card in seconds. So, spectator, choose a card. Wait. So, spectator, choose a card. Yeah. Wow. Wait. Don't look, okay? Don't look. Gonna set that. So, okay. You can find your card. No. I'm gonna not find my card. Where? Take a look. Show to camera. No, show at me. Okay. Here, guys. Finish. Finish. So, okay, now we gotta. Okay. You need to remember that code, okay? Okay, sir? Yeah. You need to remember that. Okay? Yeah. So, we're gonna place it, your card at the top. Take the shuffle cards. Okay? And now, I'm showing all cards. I'm gonna look and I'm gonna check all cards. So let me spread it. Again. Okay. Make it fast. Okay, sir. I make it fast. And here, guys, I'm in trouble to spread. Just kidding. So I'm gonna want to find your card in a seconds. So let me check these cards. Oh, the camera. Oh my God, sir, what are you doing? Nothing. So okay, sir. Then find your card. And sir, wait a minute, okay? And your card is. Let me take a look first. Oh my God, sir, what is your card? Sir, you gotta be kidding me. You truly choose a card, or you're joking. Sir, you're joking, huh? No, I'm not joking. I choose a card and I show it to camera. Truly? Yeah. Oh my God, sir. Wait a minute. Let me take a look at the cards. What happened? What happened? I will spread cards. Okay, sir. Wait a minute. Do you remember your cards? Yeah, I'll show it. You guys, you remember it? You guys are watching this video. You remember it? Yeah. So, I will spread it, sir. And can you move your card wherever you like? I'm not looking, okay? Sure. Watching this video, hi guys. Don't say my card, okay? Sir, you are finished moving? No. There? Finish there? No. Wait a minute. Are you finished there? Yeah. So, okay, I'm gonna back. And I'm gonna find your card. Your card is... I have a feeling. Closer here. Closer here. No? Sir, are you kidding me? Oh, sir, close here? Yeah. So, that is your card? Yeah, oh, amazing. Oh. Oh my God. I can't believe you. So guys, let's see the explanation. Here we go guys, the explanation. So guys, it's a truly free choice, and you're gonna choose spectator card. If you get it fast, get that card, and you're gonna hold this deck like that. Your index finger is here. Make a space like that and turn them over. You need to remember the two cards, two of clubs and five of clubs. So you're ready to begin. So you're placing the spectator card at the top. Okay, if you got that, you know the two of clubs and the spectator card and the two of clubs on the top. So now if you get that here, you know the five of clubs in placing at the bottom of spectator here, and you spread it. So couple of cuts. Make sure if you cut it thicker here and thinner here. Cuts, and you can give it to spectator card and riffle shuffle it. Okay, wait a minute. I'm so fart. I need to fart. So give it the spectator card, the riffle shuffle, and spread them all. Wait, I'm having my here, adjusting my camera. So now spread it. Okay, spread. Oh, my table. Spread them all. Okay, you say you're gonna look all card. So you're gonna find the five of clubs and the two of clubs. You're gonna find it here. So close. Oh, there's your card. So you if no double here, like wait a minute, as I sampled you. If the result is like that, three cards spreading, you're gonna look behind and say remove your card. But first you need to remember the three, the jack. The shortcut is two red jacks and one black queen because it's three only. So look behind. If you remove her card here and he make it, it's no sense. And now you're gonna look at the two cards, and who is the card missing, there's her card, and you're gonna find that. You memorize a one black queen of clubs. So there's her card. So now there's her card. So these are really cool. In my updates, I'm still finding. Please participate on my deck giveaway and shipping worldwide. Comment your country on check out my channel of my latest videos. So that's it. I'll see you next time.